I'm Michael Gower.
And I'm Kelli Gower. Our house is very handicap accessible. It had small hallways, narrow bathrooms, 2 sets of floors, small kitchen, stairs to get into the house, stairs to get out of the house.
You don't really think about how much room a handicapped person takes until you need to have the room for the handicapped person to take.
The wheelchair couldn't get down a hallway or into a bedroom or the bathroom. And again, you're 26 and you're like, oh, like he's gonna just be whole again, and not the case. We really needed a win, and we needed something to go right finally. And that was it, was to see them digging up the groundwork for the cement. It's just life was finally heading in the right direction. I was excited, but I was nervous at the same time.
I just felt the love. That's, just like this overwhelming, this love. And
I was just thankful for sunglasses that day so you couldn't see the tears.
You can start every morning fresh just due to the fact, one, in the literal sense that you're not already starting out the day asking for help. And that's a huge part for every disabled veteran I've met. Having to ask for help quite often or frequently or always about the same thing, and it starts beating us up mentally.
It means a lot more to him too that he can actually get up with Alexander in the morning and get him breakfast and get him out the door and get him ready for school. Mike actually did a lot of the cooking, and then he got hurt, and then I had to learn how to cook.
I used to love to cook. Father used to cook. It'd be nice to kind of pass that fun of cooking and teaching Alexander how to make some stuff, especially some stuff that my dad used to make or that he taught me. The placement of the stove is lowered, and actually all the countertops are lowered too. You can get things in and out of the oven without it being a struggle. I actually had a pretty good spot from a chair. Not too bad from standing. Then to the roll underneath island. Just more family time that we get to spend together, but more enjoyable family time we get to spend together.
I just feel like for the first time in years I can finally breathe, and I can go away and not have to worry about what's going on at home because there's nothing left to worry about.